Hello students, very warm welcome to all my bachalog, so my amazing class. How are you all? Tell me, how I hope all of you are feeling fine, staying at your home. I know quarantine and this lockdown is tough for everyone, but I know that my students believe in this that this shall too pass. Whatever is happening, it is going to obviously end. Okay? So just stay calm, stay patient, keep studying with Vedantu. All the rest problems are going to be sorted with time. Yeah, my lovely students, hope you all can see me and hear me. Yeah, I am Anubha Gaur, your chemistry master teacher at Vedantu, and I welcome you all in the session called as what? Specifically your doubt session and Menti Quiz. क्या करेंगे इस session में students? This session is about when we completed the chapter. I told you that ma'am एक special session रखेगी in which ma'am is going to solve your doubts which you have posted in all the videos. So students, please remember this. Post भी करते हो अपने doubts. So जो भी doubt post करेगा उसके doubts ma'am लेंगी and you can see their name in this doubt session. ठीक है, तो doubt session में भी नाम आएगा. Keep posting your doubt, keep telling us that whether you're liking the session, what do you like, and everything. Okay? Yeah, students, namaste, namaskara, sat sri akal, adab, vanakkam, and ram ram to everyone. Everyone, yes, students, menti बिल्कुल करेंगे, but पहले क्या होगा? पहले होगा एक doubt session. Whatever doubts you guys have posted already, on all the four videos of this chapter, Matter in Our Surrounding, ma'am had compiled all the doubts and will take a doubt session and then ma'am will move to Menti so that समझ आया मजा आया doubts भी clear हुए और quiz भी हुआ. Okay, let me see who all we have. We have Neha, Abhay, Kaur, Gitanjali, Madhu, Simi, Jyoti, so many names, won't able to read each and every name, so just when I'm addressing my bacha log means all of you have included. Okay, yeah, Avinash, Sukriti, Harsh, Yuvraj, Angel, Cookie, Apurva, Neelam, Shalini, Neena, Shivangi, Nidhi, everyone just tell me, my students, my bacha log, how's the Josh? How's the Josh, my students? Tell me. Waiting for your response. Hi, bacha log. Hi, bacha log. Hey, Palak. Hey, Sudhanshu. Hey, Priya. Hey, Rehana. Hey, Sham. Yeah, Ravi, Abhishek, Anushri, everyone. So, are you all ready for the session with Anubha Ma'am? टेल मी यस. तो चलो पहले क्या करेंगे, बिल्कुल आपके डाउट सॉल्व करेंगे. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, वट एवर कोर्स यू वांट टू ऑप्ट के मैम, we are facing difficulty in this particular chapter of ninth, whether it's maths, biology, chemistry, SST, and English, whatever it is, you can choose a chapter based course also. You can go for our pro subscription also for 1 month for the entire long term, so that you can be like connected with Vedantu and you can solve all your queries live session में teachers के साथ. You can solve your doubts also, and your personal growth will be totally enhanced in terms of assignments, quizzes, and obviously so many tests and all. So students, this is the link ma'am had given to you. So please go through it, whatever you want, any crash course, any micro course, any long-term course. तो ये एक बार जाके at least check कर लो what you can do for the same. ठीक है? Hey Vartika, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So students, ma'am का एक छोटा सा information and then ma'am will start the session that Vedantu has come up with subscription called as Vedantu Pro subscription. And what is this Vedantu Pro subscription, bacha log? This is the link that is also available in the description box. You can avail all the facilities of Vedantu which has given only for 2699. And I'm pretty sure that 2699 is not very big amount, so that you can clear out all your doubts. You can do as many chapters as you want. So select your grade, whether it's 9, 10th, and select your target, CBSE, ICSE, Maharashtra board, and then get your subscription. Get subscription में unlimited access to all the live classes बच्चा लोग. Interact with India's best teachers and unlimited doubt solving, all the test series, assignments, guaranteed score improvement. You can obviously see your growth and you can choose a schedule that suits you also. Have you ever imagined that? That you can choose your schedule. School में ऐसा option मिलता है कि अरे यार आज तो I don't want to attend that class but I want to study only maths and only biology or only chemistry. Oh yeah, I can attend only two classes which I want. So you can choose whatever chapter you find it difficult and you can go through it so many times जब तक आपके सारे doubts clear ना हो जाए. So ठीक है students, it's more of like an opportunity. So please be a part of it. Okay? Yes? All right, my students, all right. And as Vedantu 910 channel is already giving you all the information, do hit the like button to appreciate all the efforts of all the master teachers right now, obviously with Anubha Ma'am. Okay, so Ram Kiran gave me a doubt on the session, and the doubt given by Ram Karan, sorry, is sponge solid? If yes, then how can we compress it? Hello students, are you able to see? Good afternoon बच्चा लोग, good afternoon. मेंटी होगा बिल्कुल. पहले डाउट सेशन सॉल्व करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद मेंटी होगा. whatever your doubts are. मैम किसके लिए कर रही है? सिर्फ आप लोगों के लिए कि आपको लगता है कि मैम डाउट्स को आंसर ही नहीं करती. तो मैम made this session so that your doubts can also be clear. So students, please listen. Ram Karan, please listen. Sponge जो है, that is definitely a solid. Then we are able to compress it because that's a category of solid in which air got trapped because there are minute holes into your sponge. Ma'am, second chapter जब आपको पढ़ाएगी, ma'am will tell you कि sponge क्या होता है? That category of matter which is more of a mixture. Okay, that category of matter which is more of a mixture. Mixture का मतलब sponge ऐसा solid है in which gas is trapped. So it's like that kind of a mixture, gas and solid. Okay, and you are able to compress because you're not compressing solid, but that air, because air is a gas and gas is compressible, as I told in my previous session. Gas is compressing and that is expelling out. Okay, so students, ICSE भी है, तो ICSE students can also join. It's completely fine. Menti करेंगे, doubt solve करेंगे. You can equally participate in that. Okay. Yes, wonderful, wonderful students. So next question देखो जल्दी से ma'am, paper is a solid, then how we are able to fold it or compress it by hands? Given by Sumedha Gabhani. So this is a doubt given by Sumedha. Sumedha bache, if you're seeing it and all the students, you must be curious enough to tell and ask your doubts. Okay, ma'am, we are curious students of science, science product, and we really have that curiosity to know more and more, because if you'll be having it, then only you can know and see all the possibilities of this world, earth, universe and all. So bache, let me solve this doubt. What exactly is in the case of paper? Yes, paper is a solid, but why we are able to compress it, fold it and even tear it? Because the force of attraction in the paper is not very strong. Every solid has different kind of a force of attraction. Okay, you are able to fold it because their bonding between it is not very strong that they are holding it and they are not even able to move here and there. They are just at their place. You're able to fold it because that's very thin sheet of that solid. That you have taken a very thin sheet of solid and the particles are attached to each other. Obviously solid में attach होते हैं, but you are able to tear it, you are able to fold it, you are able to compress it in a way because their force of attraction is comparatively less. Okay, every solid has different force of attraction. You can't do this to metal, but you might have seen aluminium foil. You can tear it, you can fold it. Yeah, though it's a solid, because we are taking a very thin and soft sheet of it, having comparatively less force of attraction. All right, students, tell me, is the doubt clear? Yes, you can join the Menti Vedantu channel. Will give you all the notification. Don't worry. But पहले जरा students जरा doubt solve कर लेते हैं. बिल्कुल. Thank you, ऋषभ. तो students, एक और question है given by Rachna Gautam. तो देखो, if you also want your name, so do participate in all the session. Do submit your doubts and get it solved by all the master teachers right now with Anubha Ma'am. Obviously, chemistry. Now, Rachna is telling, ma'am, my doubt is that you said that rubber bands particles have property to stretch, but when we stretch more, it is going to break. Please explain. So, how many of you are having that doubt in your mind? Tell me. I'm waiting for your response in the chat box. Able to read? Understood. That's nice. That's nice. Hey, Rita. मेंटी कोड देंगे बिल्कुल देंगे पहले जरा डाउट सॉल्व कर ले all you care is about quiz and not like solving your doubts. All right, me see so many students are having this question as a doubt. Let me solve. Okay, ma'am, rubber band is a solid. First thing, we can stretch it. Second thing, if you stretch it more, it can like break down. So why this is happening, bacha? Because if I talk about rubber band, they have a kind of elasticity. You might have seen that कि थोड़ा elastic होता है. You can stretch it because the kind of bonding which is there in the rubber is comparatively weak, and उसके bond कुछ ऐसे होते हैं that if you if you stretch it, वो एक position तक stretch कर सकते हैं. Okay, so when I talk about rubber band, my बच्चा लोग, you are able to stretch rubber band because the bonding associated in the case of rubber is comparatively that you can stretch it out, then also they are able to connect with each other. बट वो इलास्टिसिटी जो है वो एक मिनिमम पॉइंट तक होती है. ओके, अब अगर मान लो इतने इतने ज्यादा दूर हो गए दो सल्फर के रबर बैंड के बॉन्ड. ओके, रबर बैंड बहुत सारे बॉन्डिंग एसोसिएट है उसके अंदर, बहुत सारे एटम से बना है. तो मान लो दो एटम में मैक्सिमम इतना डिस्टेंस हो सकता था. You can stretch it to this moment of time, but if you stretch it more, their force of attraction will break, and then the rubber band can be broken down. Okay, their elasticity is only possible for a limit. If you'll put more force of attraction than that much elasticity, the rubber band can break. Okay, yes, that's nice. Able to understand? Solid or liquid? Which part you're talking about? Slime again is a mixture, bache. Second chapter, I'll tell you, it's not generally a part of a solid. Matter, I will tell in the next class that we will talk about mixture also, kind of impure substance in which one thing is mixed with another, just like your sponge, in which gas is trapped in the solid. Okay, so not like pure. These are not pure substances. Able to understand? That's nice. That's awesome. That's awesome. Again, you can put your queries in the chat box, in your comment box. All right. So Gopal ji had a doubt. Ma'am, does gases float over other gases? Ma'am, I took a gas. Can other gas is able to float over that gas? Because हम तो बोलते हैं gas is something very light in nature. Okay, मैंने दो गैस ले लिए. Is it possible that one will float over the other? What do you think, students? Now you understood? That's so awesome. Emulsion again, second chapter में मैम बिल्कुल कराएगी बच्चा लोग. Don't you worry at all. Emulsion is also kind of a mixture, liquid and liquid. Again, we'll do it in the second chapter. So, yes, okay, that's nice. That's nice. So solution क्या है बच्चा? It totally depends on density, that how light or how heavy your substance is. If I take two gas, suppose one gas is having a density of 0.4 and one gas is having a density of 0.6, just like some random data I'm giving you. कौन सा light है? 0.4 वाला, right? तो जो light है वो ऊपर होगा, जो heavy है वो नीचे होगा. Sometimes gases can mix with each other also, but if the gases are non-reactive, they don't want to react, one gas can float over the other also. Okay, if the gas is light in nature, then the other gas, it can definitely float over the other, just like your solid ice is going to float over water, because ice was having less density than water, so it can float over water. It's like the same example. Okay, thank you, Mohit, thank you, Nishant. Hey Abhishek, that's so awesome. Menti भी शुरू होगा. मतलब सिर्फ Menti के लिए आयो है ना? All right, we have one more doubt. Is water vapor everywhere? If I talk about Earth atmosphere, then yeah, you can say that it is having water vapors. We have one more doubt given by Reena. Reena is telling, why does the temperature remain constant during the melting of ice even though heat is supplied continuously? Reena, very good doubt. And ma'am had solved that query already, if you remember it. Okay? Yes, that's so awesome. So, Reena, what is happening if I talk about ice? You know that you kept your ice from refrigerator to room temperature. तो क्या होता है बच्चा उस टाइम पे? When you took it out from the freezer, the temperature was suppose -5 degree. You put it at room temperature. Suppose room temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. So that ice kept on absorbing heat from the surrounding. Heat is supplied to the ice by outside, and your ice is able to grab it. Your ice is able to absorb it. But when ice reaches to its melting point, that is 0 degrees Celsius, at that moment of time, whatever heat is absorbed by the ice is not going to increase the temperature. Temperature will still remain 0 degree. But at that moment of time, whatever heat you will absorb is not rising the temperature. Temperature तब rise होता है जब kinetic energy increase होती है. ठीक है? So temperature could rise if all the particle will increase their kinetic energy. But at 0 degrees Celsius, what they'll do, they're like हम अपनी kinetic energy नहीं increase करेंगे. We'll do one thing, जो हमारे बीच की force of attraction है, यानी कि जो potential energy है जो उनको hold किए हुए है, वो break करेंगे. ठीक है? So at 0 degrees Celsius, whatever heat is given is used by all the atom of the ice to overcome their force of attraction. To that take that much amount of energy that can overcome their potential energy, which is something that is responsible for hold them together. तो absorb करके force of attraction को lose कर रहा है, break कर रहा है. So whatever energy is giving won't rise the temperature because kinetic energy नहीं बढ़ी अब, तब temperature बढ़ता. It's just the force of attraction is getting loosened up. तो absorb कर ली, that is your latent heat. Latent heat of fusion. Latent heat which is required hidden in the system, जो कि fusion करने के लिए, melt करने के लिए use हुआ. ठीक है? So that heat is latent heat. Latent heat is used by the system, absorbed by the system to change the state of matter. अब students मैम एक question पूछेगी. Yes, due to latent heat. That's so awesome बच्चा लोग. Very nice, very nice. अब एक question का answer दो, then ma'am will take you to the Menti. My question is, now suppose I'm having water. I told you ice can give you water, and you got it, ma'am. Ice 0 degree पे whatever the heat is given absorb कर रहा है, then only water can be formed. अब मैं reverse job कर रही हूँ students. Listen to it. It will help you in the Menti quiz. It's a question in the Menti quiz. You have water. You're converting it into ice. You have water. You're converting into ice. आपने freezer में रख दिया ice tray में water को. So water is starting freezing, and at 0 degrees Celsius, it starts converting to ice. And then also the temperature remain constant. But अब एक बात का जवाब दो. When water convert to ice, at that moment of time, whether water will absorb the energy to convert into ice or whether water will lose the energy to convert into ice. My question is this, then ma'am will take you to Menti. Thank you Diksha. जल्दी से बताओ, जल्दी से. मैम ने एक बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा है, so that I can make sure your growth is like in that upper graph you're understanding. Lose energy. Wonderful, wonderful. That's what I wanted to know. Wonderful बच्चा लोग, that you got it. देखो, ice water में convert हुआ by absorbing the energy, so that ice के बीच का जो force of attraction था, you can overcome it. You have water. Water को आपको freeze करना है. Water के particles दूर दूर थे, liquid solid में convert करना है. Particles should come close. दूर से पास आ रहा है. So whatever the extra energy they are having at 0 degrees Celsius, they will lose that energy. Okay? तभी तो ice ज़्यादा ठंडा होता है. Ice is more cooler as compared to water at 0 degrees Celsius. क्योंकि water तो energy lose करता है 0 degrees Celsius पे. Okay? Understood? That's air matter. Yes, बच्चे, air is matter, is a mixture of so many gases, and every gas is having so many mass it is having and occupying space. Ma'am, हमें तो नहीं दिख रहा. We are looking here and there is so much amount of air. How can we say air is a matter? It's matter because it's occupying space. It's transparent, so we can't see it. And having mass also, हर gas का mass होता है, right? And nitrogen is having 14 unit mass. Oxygen is having 16 unit mass and so on. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, is it clear? Solution we'll study in next chapter. Solution is what? Solution is your homogeneous mixture. When two or more things combine with each other and will be there in one phase only. We'll do it in the next chapter. Okay, students, that's your Menti time. That's your Menti time that you were waiting for a long time. Light is a matter, but a light is something, if I say, it is having two kind of a nature, particle also and wave also. मतलब ये आप energy भी कह सकते हो और particles भी कह सकते हो. Ninth class के हिसाब से just say that light is a form of energy, so not matter. But when you'll move to 11th class, they'll tell you these are having particle nature also, मतलब वो matter भी कहला सकता है. Okay, you'll study that in 11th class, but 11th के लिए छोड़ दो. अभी जल्दी से जाके मेंटी क्विज को ज्वाइन करो. क्या करना है? दिस इज द वेबसाइट. अभी एक दूसरी विंडो पे यू कैन ओपन, लॉग इन टू, और फोन में ओपन कर सकते हो www.menti.com. जैसे ओपन करोगे दे विल आस्क फॉर अ कोड. enter the code 47194. Okay, done? To join the quiz 47194 and ma'am will take you to the Menti Quiz. Okay, just a second. Yeah. All right, students, just give me a time. Menti. Refresh करते हैं. Don't worry, Menti होगा. Okay. All right, just give me a moment. Ma'am will open in some other window. Yeah. Let me just try one more time, students. We are opening Menti. All right. So students, Menti quiz is here. Are you able to join it? Hey, Tanisha. To participate in Menti, you have a code 47194. जल्दी से जाके सेशन को ज्वाइन करो. ठीक है? Let me see how many of you are there. Hey, Vartika. So students, I hope all of your doubts are solved now. Tell me, all of your doubts are solved, right? Right? That's awesome. That's awesome to know. Joined? Not able to join? Menti की साइट खोलो. साइट में www.menti.com and apply the code 47194 and it's like something which is important for everyone. So जल्दी से जाके join कर लो. Whether you are in NCERT, your schools are following NCERT book, whatever your board is, state board वाले भी join कर CBSE, ICSE, everyone. Yeah, Lavanya, what happened? All doubts are clear? That's so awesome. Okay, hey Swarat, देखो तो मेंटी शुरू करते हैं with all of you. Are you all ready? Ranjita, compressibility means ability of your especially gases to compress. Okay, compress करना because gases particles are almost free. Yes. Okay, चलो तो जरा जल्दी से मेंटी क्विज शुरू करते हैं. Waiting for player. Let's see how many of you are there. Hey Kanika, hey Harshit, Yogendra, Vandana, I hope you all have joined it. Oh my god, that's so amazing. I can see 700 and how much? Let's see if we can have 850 students. Ranjita, I hope your doubt is clear. The ability to compress, and that's the property of gases. Yeah, Sandeep, you can put your doubt in the comment section and I'll take it. All right, students. All right. Shall we start? What are you starting? A Menti quiz for matter in our surrounding. All right, students. Ma'am is going to start now. Let me Okay, let me see if I'm able to see everything. Chalo. Can we reach to 800 and then we'll start? Yes. All of you have joined Menti with the code 47194. So chalo shuru karte hain. Why to wait? And the very first question is going to come on your screen in 3, 2, 1. Now. And students, your first question is going to be there and it's here. A form of matter that has no fixed shape but it has a fixed volume. An example of this form of matter is 60% question will be easy but 40% will be a bit tricky also. तो जरा ध्यान दो इस पे, ध्यान दो इस बात पे. A form of matter that has no fixed shape, that can change its shape according to container, but has a fixed volume. Let's see what kind of a response you guys are going to give. And ये कौन है? Students, ये कौन है? Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a gas, no fixed shape and no fixed volume. But liquids are there, no fixed shape but fixed volume. Okay? No fixed shape but fixed volume. All right? Didn't prepare well. Menti चाहिए, prepare तो करो. All right, students. Let's move to next question. But let's see, leaderboard पे कौन है जो सबसे top पे है? We'll see, we'll see. Menti code zara open karo dobara se, you can try 47194 is the code. And students, room is the one which is fastest. Then our barefoot, and then Yogita, Ria, Ribbit, Rishika, Tarun, Puffy, and Grant. That's nice. That's awesome. Menti will work, bache. Open the code 47194 with Menti. एक साइड पे या फोन में साइड में you can open it. Okay. Okay. What is not visible? Text not visible. Are you able to see that in phone? I guess phone में तो सब visible है. Not visible? Yeah. See, if it will not visible, you can press control and then minus. Try karo. Okay. Yes. Okay. Chalo. Next question देखते हैं students. Control and minus you can press. Okay, next question, students. Which one of the following statement is not true? Which of the following statement is not true? All right. Let me see. अगर आपको पूरा question देखना है. Which of the following statement is true? Let me see. अगर आपको पूरा देखना है. अभी दिखाई दे रहा है, students? Are you able to see it now? ओपन करो मेंटी को, दिखाई देगा सब कुछ ऑप्शन. या is it fine now? Once you try, ma'am, from my side it's fine, bache. Okay, I can do one thing. You can only listen my voice and I can give you full screen of Menti. Text not visible. If something is happening to our Menti that I can't do anything, but if you are able to read options or not, I can give my voice effect and I can give you full screen of Menti. Will it work? Ma'am, in Menti question is not visible. Achha, try one thing. Press control and then minus. If you're doing it in what should I say? Laptop. Okay, now it's okay. Chalo, refresh kar lo otherwise. Refresh kar lo. Yeah. So students, which one of the following statement is not true? Now you know the option. See, if Menti is having any problem, बताओ बच्चा मैम क्या कर सकती है. Ma'am can show you the full screen. Just 1 second. Screen is full, and let me just do one thing. Now I hope you're able to see it. Answer tha B. The molecules in a liquid are arranged in a regular pattern. Which of the following statement is true? They have a regular pattern. Change theme. अब बताओ अभी मैं सेशन के बीच में कैसे थीम चेंज करूं? Yeah, students. Refresh कीजिए. It will be fine. All right. चलो. Let's move to next question now. Okay. Let's move to next question, students. Next question is, when water at 0 degrees Celsius freezes to form ice at the same temperature of 0 degrees Celsius, then it. See all the option in mobile also. You are only visible. Right now it's fine, right? Can only see your face but not options, is it? Students, give your correct answer. I can see so many of you are able to give the correct answer. It's option number B. We have already done it. And maybe some glitch on Menti bache. Option ka answer hai B. That is releases some heat. I told you water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. I've explained you in the doubt time also. When water freezes to 0 degrees Celsius, it will release heat. Yeah? Okay. चलो लीडरबोर्ड देखते हैं. Options are not visible on Menti. Not visible at code. Did you put the code 47194? But the clues are visible. I can do one thing. I will give you the entire question and give you all the options also. Okay? Akshita, you are the fastest one. And then we have Dharnesh, Arya, Shravan, Sashwat, Aditya, Divya, Sarthak, Cool, and Shubhan. All right. Chalo, let's move to next question now. Happy birthday, bache. Next question is, when heat is constantly supplied by a burner to boiling water, then the temperature of water during vaporization is going to do what? New here? Okay. Questions? No. Thank you so much. Questions are not visible on Menti. Let me see, students. When the heat is constantly supplied by a burner to boiling water, then the temperature of water is going to not rise. How can you forget latent heat? When you are boiling the water at one moment of time, when vaporization happens, vaporization is boiling. Boiling happens at a fixed temperature. So temperature will not rise, temperature will remain same. Okay? D is the correct answer. So many of you gave wrong response. Yes? All right, all right. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Latent heat of vaporization बच्चा लोग. Answer was latent heat of vaporization. ठीक है? Can't see. Let me try if I can do something. Let me try. Just give me a moment. मैम एक बार चेक कर लेती है. Not sure if it will work. Okay. अभी मुझे बताओ if you are able to see. Students, just go to Menti now. See if you are able to see now. Control and plus press karo, you are able to see. Okay, I did control and plus, usko check karo, 100 pe karo, you are able to see. Fine? No? Let me try to change the theme. If theme is creating issue, just a second. Are you able to see now? Let me change the theme. Dark theme will work, right? What about now? Let me try to present. Now are you able to see? Yes. Yes, working. See, so many of you are saying yes now. Yes, there's an option to change mode. You can change the mode of it. Okay. Present, yes. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. I am presenting it again. Give me a second. Yes, students, now it's fine, right? Chalo, let's move ahead. Refresh karo, it will be fine. I can see. हाँ, so leaderboard अभी देखते हैं. In the leaderboard, we can see Embriel is the one who is the fastest. Then Vedant, A. No, it changed. It changed, students. It changed. Okay. Now we have Earthman on the top. Embriel, A. Vedant. Mr. Mid, Pratisha, Frank, Rishabh, Pratisha. To Pratishtha. Okay, and then Rishit. You just joined? Oh my God. Oh my God. All right. Just change the mode in your phone. आप उसका mode change कर सकते हो. Okay? Okay. Now, which one of the following set of phenomena would increase on rising the temperature? Which one of the following set of phenomena would increase on rise in temperature? I'm increasing the temperature. Which all are the phenomena that is going to increase on rise in temperature? Okay? Yes, tell me. Tell me what will be the answer. Think about it. That's nice. What's the answer? You're giving it right here. The correct answer is nothing but answer number C. Answer number C or answer number C. क्यों है बच्चा? Evaporation is one of the method. Diffusion is also one of the method. Not evaporation, vaporization basically. If you increase the temperature, boiling point, if you see that the substance is going to boil only to increase the temperature. तो ये है, आई कैन शो यू विद द होल स्क्रीन. अगर आप लोग सब वैसे देख रहे हैं, लेट मी शो यू ऑल द ऑप्शंस इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू सी. Evaporation, diffusion and expansion of gas. When you heat it, you can see these kind of a changes. Okay? Yes, let's move ahead now. Leaderboard shows that who is on the top. We have our A on the top. Is it? Let's see whether it is going to change. It is change. It is change. Okay. Mr. Ned on the top, then A, then Pratishtha, then Nabiha, Pratishtha 2, Dharnesh, Krog, Aditya, Sarthak, and KR. That's awesome. That's awesome. My bachalo. Yes, that's nice. तो अब क्या करेंगे? All right. Yes. चलो देखते हैं अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट. Next question is what, students? On converting 308 Kelvin, 329 Kelvin and 391 Kelvin to Celsius scale, the correct sequence of temperature will be. The correct scale of temperature will be. Tell me. You need to arrange everything on the correct scale of temperature. Is it? Zara answer batao jaldi se. You know how to convert it into degree Celsius, right? Last some seconds, students. First, you have to solve, okay? 308 Kelvin in degree Celsius. All right. It's option number C, students. 35 degrees Celsius, 56 degrees Celsius, and 118 degrees Celsius. Okay? Answer is not B, but C. 308 minus 273 karo. You will get 35 degrees Celsius only. Okay? C is the correct answer, students. We'll see the leaderboard again. And leaderboard says that right now our Mr. Nid is on the top. Then we have Pratishtha, Nabiha, Pratishtha 2, Croc, Sarthak, Earthman, KR, Rishit, and Shubhan. Yeah, thank you, Arvind. Thank you so much. So answer was what? Yes, now you know it well. चलो एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं अभी. And the question is, which of the following phenomena always result in the cooling effect? Please, tell me which of the following phenomena always result in the cooling effect. You have option condensation, evaporation, and there is one more, sublimation, and none of these. Okay? Thank you so much. All right, answer cooling effect. Last few seconds, students. Last few seconds. Yes, you're able to give me correct answer now. Okay. Okay, let's move ahead to next. The answer was evaporation. Yes, evaporation. Evaporation is the correct answer right now. All right, students, let's move to next question now. Our Mr. Mid on the top, then Pratishtha, Krog, Nabiha, Sarthak, Pratishtha 2, Shubhan, Embriel, A, Vedant. So that's nice. That's nice work by all of you. Hey Brijesh, what happened? Okay, okay. Kitne number of questions? 10 number of questions, okay? Yes, so let's see this question. Which of the following cause the temperature of a substance to remain constant while it undergo a change in its state? Try to remember what is that substance? Latent heat, lattice energy, loss of heat, or none of these. Which of the following cause the temperature of a substance to remain constant while it is undergoing a change in state? When the state of change happens, like solid to liquid, liquid to gas, at that moment of time, temperature remain constant because the substance is doing what? That is playing a big role. Latent heat, lattice energy, loss of heat, none of these. Hope you are able to remember it. Okay, latent heat is the correct answer, my students. Latent heat is the correct answer. Okay, because at that moment of time, your solid is going to absorb heat and not going to rise the temperature to convert into liquid. Latent heat, hidden heat in the system. That's why temperature did not rise. Yes, the answer was what? You know that. Latent heat. Awesome. Awesome. Let's see the leaderboard now. And leaderboard says Mr. Mid is still on the top. Then Pratishtha, Krog, Nabiha, Sarthak, Shubhan is the fastest one this time. Congratulations, Shubhan. Pratishtha, Embriel, Vedant, and A. That's nice. Very nice, students. Very nice. Let's move to next question now. Okay, this is not my birthday, okay? Students, which of the following statement is not true regarding the characteristic of matter? Regarding the characteristic of matter. Mohammed Bache, what happened? Sometime issue happens in a session, no? Menti is not something which ma'am is doing something to Mentimeter. Or I can do one thing, I can tell the team to arrange one more Menti session for you. Okay? Yeah, let's see what your answer will be, students. And let's see which of the following statement is not true regarding the characteristic of matter. Option C. क्या है option C बच्चा लोग? The kinetic energy of the particles are going to do what? Error in Menti, है ना? हाँ. One more Menti. Ma'am is promising you today that ma'am will arrange one more Menti session for you for this chapter, that is matter in our surroundings, specially for all of you. ठीक है? अभी तो ठीक है? Yes, ma'am will arrange one more Menti session because of Menti crash जो ma'am के हाथ में नहीं है. All right, students. All right. Let's move ahead now. ठीक है बच्चे, बिल्कुल. You'll get all the dates possible. Okay? आपको सारी जो शेड्यूल होगा मेंटी का वो मिल जाएगा वेदांतों की साइट पे. Let's see right now, is water compressible or not? No, bacha, it's very little compressible. You can avoid that compressibility. And what do we see, students? Our Pratishtha is on the top with 7577 points, and that's so awesome. That's so awesome work by all of you. Hey, Kamlesh, hi, bache. Yes. Okay. So, Mr. Everyone who are like maybe somewhat irritated or frustrated that ma'am we wanted to play menti and we got some glitch, don't worry bachelor, ma'am will arrange a special menti session for all of you. Okay, just consider it as a doubt session. Your all the doubts are cleared. Ma'am will take one more menti session. Okay, so I hope all of your doubts are clear. Menti में थोड़ा problem हुआ मैं मानती हूँ, but don't worry, ma'am will come back with one more session. And right now, with all the glitches possible, but Pratishtha is still there on the top and did a very good job. So well done, Pratishtha. Well done, guys. It's so good from all of you that you stayed patient throughout the session. I'm happy to have you all. So just wait for the next session. Right? Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. And we will meet soon. Please stay at home and please take care of yourself and keep revising with Vedantu. All right. Bye bye.